Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report, and this is for November 15th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair surged to the upside, did close lower. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 77.82, possibly as low as 76.56. Look for some resistance around 77.50 and look for some support around 76.75. Okay, now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed down during today's session. Didn't quite break the low, although it's testing it already during this new session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 137.21, possibly as low as 133.41. Look for some resistance around 135.50 and look for some support around 134.75. Now the pound-US dollar pair, this pair closed to the downside, broke through previous support areas that we're holding. We are looking for this pair overall to go down, start moving lower. However, on a reversal, it could go as high as 1.6003, possibly as low as 156.61. Look for some resistance around 158.75 and look for some support around 157.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair continues to move higher. It moved to the upside. Didn't quite break the trend line we have, but getting close, at least to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9310, possibly as low as 0.9006. Look for some resistance around 0.9200 and look for some support around 0.9075. Now, as far as news announcements go, we do have a couple of news announcements going into this next session. We have the Bank of Japan releasing their rate decision. No time given. Consensus is they're going to hold it at 0.10%. We also have the pound releasing their jobless claims exchange. The pound releasing their jobless claims change for October at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved higher from 17.5K up to 21.0K, which would be negative news for the pound. We also have the Eurozone Consumer Price Index being released for October at 5 a.m. Eastern. Consensus on that is that it's held at 3.0%. We also have at 5:30 a.m. Eastern Time the Bank of England releasing their inflation report. No previous given, that's just the report being released. No real numbers attached to that. Now at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time we have the U.S. releasing their Consumer Price Index. For October, consensus is showing that it's dropped a little bit from 3.9% down to 3.7%. Okay, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, it's a quick little scalp. We've created a swing trade opportunity in the US-Japanese yen pair between these three, the past three sessions. And I do believe that if we get a breakout of that, it will move higher. And basically, I'm looking to grab about 10 pips, maybe a little more. The only thing with that is we're right at a 50 level. So looking to grab 10 pips on that move. Just a quick little scalp. You can see we have previous resistance there and support as well. So I do believe that if it moves higher up to that point, we will be able to break through it very quickly and get out before the 77.50 mark, as I'm sure we will see some resistance at that point. Well, hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.